Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Info, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and updates from around the automotive world. Today, we are diving deep into the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Impala, a car that has made an impressive comeback with a perfect blend of classic American styling, modern technology, and outstanding performance. If you've been waiting for a full-size sedan that offers luxury, comfort, and power, then stay tuned because this review will cover everything you need to know about the 2025 Impala. From its sleek exterior design to its refined interior, cutting-edge features, and powerful performance, we'll leave no detail untouched. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala returns with a bold and contemporary look that immediately catches your attention. Chevrolet has taken a futuristic approach while retaining the Impala's signature charm. At the front, you'll find a wide grille with chrome accents, seamlessly integrated with sharp LED headlights that give the car a sophisticated and aggressive stance. The aerodynamic lines flow smoothly across the body, enhancing both aesthetics and efficiency. Moving to the side profile, the new Impala features a coupe-like silhouette with sculpted doors, stylish chrome trim, and elegant 19-inch alloy wheels as standard, while higher trims offer stunning 20 or 21-inch options. At the rear, slim LED taillights, a subtle lip spoiler, and dual exhaust outlets create a sporty yet classy finish. The 2025 Impala's exterior is available in a range of colors, including radiant red tint coat, summit white metallic, mosaic white metallic, and a new stellar gray, ensuring there's a shade to match every taste. Stepping inside the 2025 Impala, you're welcomed by a cabin that feels premium and spacious. Chevrolet has focused on comfort and technology, making the interior a standout feature of this sedan. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials, with options ranging from soft cloth in the base models to leather-appointed seating with contrast stitching in the higher trims. Both front and rear seats are designed to offer exceptional support, with ample legroom and headroom that even taller passengers will appreciate. Heated and ventilated front seats, along with power-adjustable lumbar support, ensure that long drives remain comfortable. The dashboard features a clean and modern layout with a large 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google services. The center console is ergonomically designed with easy-to-reach controls, while ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication to night drives. Rear passengers also benefit from dual-zone climate control, USB-C ports, and generous space, making the Impala perfect for both families and business travelers. Cargo space is another highlight, with the trunk offering an impressive 19 cubic feet, making it one of the largest in its class. Technology plays a significant role in the 2025 Impala. The infotainment system is fast, responsive, and easy to navigate, while the premium Bose sound system delivers crystal-clear audio for an immersive listening experience. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot keep everyone connected on the go. Chevrolet has also equipped the Impala with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system is available on top trims, enhancing visibility and safety during parking and tight maneuvers. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala offers two impressive engine options. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that produces 250 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth and efficient driving. For those who crave more power, the higher trims come with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering 335 horsepower and 284 pound-feet of torque, giving the Impala excellent acceleration and highway performance. Both engines offer a refined driving experience with responsive handling, precise steering, and a well-balanced suspension that absorbs road imperfections effortlessly. Front-wheel drive is standard, but an optional all-wheel drive system is available for enhanced traction and stability, especially in challenging weather conditions. Fuel efficiency is also commendable, with the 4-cylinder engine delivering around 26 miles per gallon combined, while the V6 manages approximately 23 miles per gallon combined. Driving the 2025 Impala feels smooth and confident, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating city streets. The cabin remains quiet, thanks to excellent sound insulation, while the suspension ensures a comfortable ride even over rough surfaces. Chevrolet has clearly focused on creating a sedan that not only looks great, but also drives exceptionally well. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala is competitively positioned in the full-size sedan market. The base LT trim starts at around $32,000, offering great value with its long list of standard features. The mid-range Premier trim, which adds more luxury and technology, comes in at approximately $38,000. For those seeking the ultimate Impala experience, the top-of-the-line High Country trim starts at around $44,000, featuring the powerful V6 engine, premium leather, advanced safety tech, and exclusive design elements. Considering its blend of style, performance, and features, the Impala offers excellent value for money. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala successfully combines modern design, advanced technology, and a powerful yet efficient